to another Petranese explained video tutorial. This time I would love to introduce to you a stitch that is called a stitch from the left, and actually it should not be called Petranese but Veronicanese, because the lovely Veronica Godlova came up with this variation of making a stitch in overlay crochet. What she discovered is that when we work a stitch from the left, it creates a bit of a smoother curve and looks more symmetrical than working stitches, even though they are symmetrical within the pattern, like one here and one here, that they look not as symmetrical as when we actually also work them in a mirrored kind of way. So usually when we make, for example, a front post treble, this would be a 0-2 because it's worked around the stitch 2 rounds below. We insert the hook from right to left for a right-hander and left to right for a left-hander. And then we just pull the yarn through and work around this stitch. So that's for the right side, or for the left side for a left-hander. And oops, I lost a bit of strand here. And for the next stitch, we usually do the same because it's just on the other side, so we just work it the same. But if we work a stitch from the left for right-hander or from the right for left-hander, we would work it differently. We would really work it in a mirror kind of way, which means we don't insert from our working side to the opposite side, but from the opposite side to our working side. So if we work from right to left, we insert it from the left, not from the right. And if we work from left to right, we insert it from the right and not from the left. So opposite to our working, or usually working direction. Then we bring the yarn in front of the hook and we pull it around. We pull through and then we work our treble as we usually would. So that is how a stitch from the left, respectively a stitch from the right for a left-hander, would be worked when you see it in one of the patterns. The first time you're going to see it is in the dragonfly square that Veronica designed in collaboration with Black Sheep Crochet, inspired by the Wrapped in Jamie Cull squares and also compatible with those squares. And I hope that you're going to enjoy working the dragonfly square. Give it a go. It is tricky in some parts, so it's good if you have some experience with Petranese already and have worked a few of those squares maybe. But it's really doable and it's an absolutely lovely design. So I hope I see you there then.